The region that now constitutes Pakistan occupies a unique place in history. Once again, it assumes the center stage, but for different reasons. The people of this land are a proud and a warrior race. Pakistan is fighting on many fronts to eliminate terrorism and extremism with a multi-pronged strategy into the mainstream Pakistani civil society. The medical corps is providing vital treatment to the sick and the suffering from multiple diseases. Instead of learning ideologies of hate and anger, the younger generation of this part is learning computer skills and sciences. No single state can win this war alone. Realizing the need for progress and modernity, these tradition-loving people have voted in favor of reforms. The transformation of their young generation is clearly visible. The guns are silenced as peace and tranquility are returning to these areas, as these hardy people are joining the 21st century.